Hi, I'm Joe with WTI, and I just want to tell you all about this extension pole from Better Boat. Check out this video and see how awesome this pole is. So my husband is about to wash our boat, and he has the Better Boat extension pole. What he loves about it and what I love about it is that it has a really good grip to it. The middle part has a good grip, and the size, you can make it smaller, larger. It's really easy to use. My husband has also used this for painting jobs, which have been awesome. And it's just been something that is really compact. We can fit it anywhere. We even take it on the boat, and we have a hook that also can attach to it. So we've used it a lot. And that's my point of view.